Welcome to this Toolbox talk on Spotter. Spotters are used to direct drivers or equipment operators who do not have a full view of the working area. The purpose of a spotter is to assist the operator in maneuvering equipment into position to prevent injury to the operator, spotter, or other personnel, and to prevent property damage. In this Toolbox talk, we will discuss about the use of a spotter, his responsibilities, the safety measures, and types of spotting signals. Now, let's take a look at the various situations in which a spotter is needed. When entering or moving a vehicle or machinery within a congested area. When the visibility is poor. When moving equipment or materials are in close proximity to an excavation. When pedestrians, co-workers, vehicle traffic, or other contractors are on or in the work area or roadways. When overhead power lines, overhead obstructions, and other obstructions present a hazard. Excavating when underground obstructions are present, and if there is a possibility of unknown obstructions. Now, let's understand the various responsibilities possessed by a spotter. The spotter shall allow for sufficient stopping distance and clearance. The spotter and operator shall decide on appropriate hand signals or communications before operations begin. The spotter must always be visible to the operator. If you can't see the operator can't see you. If the spotter must pass through the operator's blind spot, make sure the operator understands your actions. The spotter shall stay focused and avoid distractions. The spotter shall make eye contact with the operator before communicating signals. For the exercise to be safe and effective, the spotter should stick to the guidelines discussed here. Ensure that spotters and drivers agree on hand signals before backing up. Instruct spotters to always maintain visual contact with the driver while the vehicle is backing. Instruct drivers to stop backing immediately if they lose sight of the spotter. Do not give spotters any additional duties while they are acting as spotters. Instruct spotters not to use personal mobile phones, personal headphones, or other items which could pose a distraction during spotting activities. Provide spotters with high visibility clothing, especially during night operations. Standard directional signals across the industry improves communication between drivers and operators and reduce the risk of vehicle-related incidents. Hence, one by one, we will now discuss about the signals used at the workplace. Back up. Back, turn left. Back, turn right. Move forward. Stop. Distance left to back. Slow down. With this, we end this Toolbox talk on Spotter. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a safe day.